Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Immigration Dream. Hope you are doing well. If you don't know me, I make immigration based videos for US and Canada, and I also make lifestyle based videos. So if you're new to this channel, I ask you to subscribe to my channel. That way you get latest updates on my all new videos. Just this week I made a video on my green card predictions for next year. And just today, USCIS or Department of State, they released the new visa bulletin for FY 2025. So I'm going to go deep into the latest visa bulletin and just gonna walk you through all the changes and all the updates. So stay tuned. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. That way you get the latest updates. All right, so today in today's video I'm going to focus on the employment based green card category. We are going to focus on EB1, EB2 and EB3, all three categories for three different sections: India, China and rest of the world. So let's go first into EB1 category. For the EB1 category, for rest of the world, in the previous September bulletin, the EB1 was current for rest of the world, and it stays current for October category as well. So no change there. For EB1 China, again no change. It was January 23, the 1st January 2023, and it remains as 1st January 2023. So no change. For EB1 India, it moved from February 8, 2022 to 15 April 2022. So India has seen 2 months of move in this category. So yeah, it's a good news for Indian people. But overall, EB1 category is well ahead in all the for all three sections. So EB1 is not really problematic. So EB1 was pretty simple. Let's focus on EB2, and that's where I think there's a lot of excitement going on for India, and there's a lot of not excitement going on for China. So for India, EB2 saw a big jump of filing dates so for EB2 India, the filing date in the September was July 2012, and it has moved from July 2012 to January 2013. So India has seen 6 months of jump in the priority date for filing date. China also sees some jump from June 2020 to October 2020. So China has seen 4 months of move, and rest of the world there's no change. Rest of the world was March 2023, and it remains at March 2023. So congratulations to the people in EB2 India and EB2 China. They have seen improvements now, and hopefully USCIS will allow people to file. So people whose date is now January 2023, they can file it. So that was EB2 for India, China and rest of the world. For EB3 category, again there's some excitement going on. For India, EB3 was November 2012. EB3 has moved from November 2012 to June 2013. So EB3 India has seen 7 months of progress in this visa bulletin. So if the USCIS let people file the EAD and I-485, then EB3 India people will be able to file that whose priority date is before June 8, 2013. So people who have priority date before 2013 can file I-485 now. Now the tricky part here is, again, for EB2 the priority date is January 1, 2013, And then for EB3 India, the priority date is June 8, 2013. So technically, EB2 people can downgrade to EB3, and we are going to go into that mess again. And so, yes, it's going to be a lot of fun. But honestly, if you're EB2 and EB3 India, then you can technically downgrade your application and file I-485 EAD if your priority date is before June 8 to 2013. So people who are waiting, Indian people who are waiting for so many years, I think this is a great move, because now they can file their I-485 and get an EAD until they get the green cards, and they don't have to be dependent on H-1B visa. So that's a great news for Indian people. For China, actually, the priority date actually moved back from July 2021 to 15 November 2020. So for China EB3, it is moved by 7 months. That basically tells me that there has been more number of applications coming in for China EB3 and also for China EB2 category. But overall, I think as expected, India and China both saw overall like the move. Especially India saw almost 8 months move in this new year. Now, as the year progresses, this might change based on how many applications they get. But if let's say if you're an Indian person waiting for the green card, and if your priority date is before July 8, before June of 8, 2013, I highly recommend you to talk to your company's lawyer, and if possible, downgrade your application to EB3. That way you're able to file adjustment of status I-485 form. You have been waiting for this many years now, and now is your chance to actually file it and get your EAD. So congratulations for Indian people who are waiting. Again, I know that it is still 2013, but again, something is better than nothing. I think as the year progresses, this date might get retrogress. So I highly recommend Indian people and Chinese people who are waiting in EB2 and EB3 to file your adjustment of status before October 1st. That is, prepare your application and then file it for before October 1st. This is October visa bulletin. So and we are in September. So talk with your lawyers and get your I-485 filed right away. I think this is the major status update today. I will make a detailed video on the family-based green card as well in next couple of days. But hopefully you like this update. I think great news for Indian and Chinese people. Congratulations. The rest of the world remain pretty healthy, so congratulations for that as well. So hopefully, September has started with some good news for Indian and Chinese people. So hopefully, you are able to get at least EAD pretty soon. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share with your friends, because that means a lot to me. And then, if this video spreads, then a lot of people are able to get the benefit of this video. So thank you very much and have a great rest of the day.